I like the idea that they covered not just the specific things that they want us to do and how to operate in our practice. I like the way that they encompass everything in the practice. Not just how to deal with the patients, but how to run the marketing and just the intricate details that go along. I'm going to spend more time working with my front desk and how they answer the phones. I think we're probably dropping the ball more than we realize. So that's one thing I want to really cover and make sure that right out of the gate, when a patient has their first contact with us, it's an excellent one. I started reading articles about how in Europe, their first line of defense for erectile dysfunction was to actually use shockwave therapy. So then I started investigating shockwave therapy, and I kept coming across GAINSWave. And as we implemented that and got it into the practice, I really wanted to attach myself with somebody that already had success. I don't need to reinvent everything. I wanted to already have a name to go behind it. And since GAINSWave came up so much, I know the patients, anybody who's struggling with ED has to come across that as well. So I wanted to make sure that we were part of that group.